What's up, Dang Gang? It's your boy Dang Dash, and we're back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss us?
We had tiny hands. Tiny hands.
Ariya wanted to do this so bad.
Yeah.
But she didn't want to do it the other way, so we got them on our fingers.
Yeah, because the word bonus wasn't too long for me.
Right. Okay, so we have 5 guys here. What do you have? You got what is that? You got a cheeseburger and a hot dog.
Yeah. And fries.
Okay, she got a cheeseburger, a hot dog. We got some French fries. I have a cheeseburger with everything on it, and
this is so hard.
a little fry.
Come on.
I hope you're having a great day.
Uncle, this is so hard. Yeah. Come on, Mr. French Fry. Get in my mouth. What?
Nothing.
Come here, Mr. French Fry. Get in my mouth. What are you laughing for?
Oh yeah, we got the code.
I got the French fry. Oh.
We got the code this water bottle right here. If you want to order, you want the link is down below in the description box. You put Dame Gang in that discount.
And our beauty.
And you get 10% off your entire Oreo.
And our beauty.
Ariya Beauty don't get you 10% off.
Oh.
Dame Gang get you 10% off.
Our beauty too.
How you been doing, Ariya? What you been up to?
I'm not cheating.
How? Oh, me.
Well, it's hard. Like, let's get the button. Oh, good. It's hard.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get bigger fit. No. Now I change it.
Oh, we didn't do a thumbnail, Poopo.
Huh? What? I can't.
Hold your fingers.
Ah! I was too funny. Ah! It's gonna fall! Ah!
Come on, look.
It's falling.
Let's do our thumbnail.
I can't pick nothing up.
There you go.
Ah!
Just look at the camera, girl.
Shoot. I got the tiny hand a little messy. Okay.
There you go.
Phew.
Okay.
Oh. I use my real hand.
I see.
To move you to my burger. Oh, but this is gonna be hard to eat my burger with some tango hammies. Okay. This is so hard. Come on.
Ketchup.
This. Oh, I can't pick it up.
This ketchup just got the runnings. It was just running out of the bottom.
I'm so thirsty.
Oh my God.
Oh, you help me because I use my tiny hand to open the cap.
If I help you, that's cheating.
Please.
What do you want me to do?
And I want to do this word.
Oh, I got a ketchup on my hand.
I'll go hold.
Okay, I hold this and you twist the top.
How?
I don't know.
My hands are so slippery.
I put my phone on vibrate.
Uncle, can you give me some paper towel?
Here.
Thanks. What?
You got sauce on your
Bring your hands.
Here.
Here, hold this with the tiny hands. Go. Hot dog. I'm gonna get the hot dog.
Leave it alone.
I can't eat the hot dog.
You're not gonna eat that. Eat the burger.
Why? You got me the hot dog.
But you're not gonna eat it.
Why?
Because you're only making a mess. You better eat it all, too.
What? No. So yummy.
Do you miss the Dame game? They ain't seen you in a long time.
Yeah.
Bring them.
I was at my dad's house all day.
Is it Dad's house?
And yesterday I just left from my dad's house.
Mm-hmm.
And he had to go shoot some moose.
You gotta go shoot some moves.
Yeah, you gotta go shoot some moose. I know that I'm gonna kill my hand. That was that hand off. And just hold. Damn, it's kind of messy.
Okay. Yeah, I got these little tiny hands from Amazon. It's cool to do. It's cool to do with the kids
Yeah.
when they not on 25.
Uncle, you see this thing on your leg?
Now it is snowing here in Detroit. See this? It is snowing. Snowing.
Yeah, and after we do the game, I'm gonna go get that plushie for toy.
It is snowing and it is May. It is not May. It's April
Yeah,
21st.
I was just gonna say that.
And it's snowing around.
I was gonna say that too. Yep, it's snowing outside. It's like a snowstorm out there.
That's crazy.
Wow. Oh, what?
This all guys is good.
It's still yummy. Hey, you guys, you know these are all videos. Well, now before we did like 100 videos. Cause Mom gave me Mom gave me some. What are you? Subscribers. Why? So you can get paid.
That's right.
Okay, I'll go. Yeah, I mean, it's so hard with the tiny hands. Ow. What's so funny about?
I'm laughing too.
You're fine. You're.
Oh, girl. I'm glad I ain't vacuumed yet.
I'll go and what's this for? Why put the refrigerator over here? Gonna get a big old French fry. Ow.
This thing cutting off the circulation on my finger.
Look at me.
Be careful. You see this?
What?
Be careful. Move that out of the way. Okay, now you bring your water over. Because look at your shirt. You gotta have all type of food on your arms.
Yeah. And it's blueberry water.
Mm-hmm. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Uncle, have you forgot your butter sauce?
No, I didn't forget it, but I didn't want to eat butter sauce with a burger.
No, the fries.
Oh, I never had that butter sauce on my fries before. Good idea.
So go make some butter sauce.
No, I'm okay.
Uncle, do you have butter fries in the refrigerator?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have butter sauce in the refrigerator?
Mm-hmm.
So go get it, go heat it up.
I don't know.
But you have it in all your videos. Oh.
I know, but I don't feel like eating it today.
Look what's up. Go move this real quick. Ah, I can't get it!
But just because I don't feel like eating it today doesn't mean you guys couldn't order it. You can order it right now at FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH.com.
Uncle, why have a hat on?
Ariya, why you got a hair? Why you got hair?
Because I'm a girl.
Okay, I got a hat on because I'm a boy.
Do you shave your hair?
No, I need a haircut.
So show me your hair.
No!
Show me it.
Now back up. Don't play. I still got them hands. Tell me right now.
My hand.
Yeah.
Look at it. What?
Ooh.
My toe, my toe. My hand. These guys are going crazy. What are you laughing for?
Because I can laugh. Why you asking me all these questions?
I can't get back on. How much tiny hand?
All right, y'all. We about to get up out of here.
Not yet.
Yes, we are, because you playing. You're not eating your food. You in here playing games.
Sorry. I can't get no fish fries. What is so funny if you're laughing at me?
Who laughing?
You was laughing like a long time ago. You was laughing at me
Girl,
earlier.
eat your food.
Oh, you was laughing at me earlier. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow.
Man, you did all that and got one fry in your mouth.
Ow.
You having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, we about to go. We about to get up out of here.
No. Nope.
Uncle out. Peace.
Not getting out of here yet.
Oh, this hurt.
Put those hands back on Uncle. Look, Uncle, it's like I had chopsticks on me. I don't eat like chopsticks. What?
All right. Say peace. Say deuces. All right, y'all. We about to get up out of here. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what we doing over here. We constantly winning. We constantly growing. Please. What you want to say? Peace.
Fish.
Peace.
Say bye.
Oh, huh? Bye.